Waiver Consulting Group provides the roadmap for you to become a provider of Medicaid-funded therapy services in Texas. These services deliver life-changing physical, occupational, and speech therapies to promote functional independence, communication, and mobility for Texans in home and community settings. Authorized primarily through 1915 SW HCBS waiver programs, including HCSS, TxHmL, DBMD, and MDCP. This path requires your agency to be enrolled with the Texas Medicaid and Healthcare Partnership and contracted by the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, HSC.C. You must demonstrate that your clinicians hold active Texas licenses from the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, the respective state boards of examiners, and you must pass the Provider Applicant Competency Training (PAT) exam with a score of 85% or higher. Waiver Consulting Group assists with this complex process, including developing a compliant therapy services policy and procedure manual, managing staff credentialing, and navigating the PEMS enrollment system. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172.